I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. I'm going to show it to you now. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Well, I'm going to add your photos here in this, this gallery link. Same with contact details in this link. Or if you want to add some more information about your company that you're offering, services that you're offering, you can also use this link there. And if you want to add more about your company that talks about your company, you can also use this link, the about link there. If this website would be good for you or helpful, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.